about this rig I made before I tripped. So it was a handheld bandsaw, as you can see. See where the handle is down here and the button. I got this janky bungee cord that holds it on, but welded it to this plate and attached it to here's one of the factory screws, and then up here's where the handle would bolt on it. You can helps you support it and hold it. So it works pretty good. I made this out of a piece of aluminum and screws it. That's what the factory guide is, but this is a couple inches wider, so makes it nice for cutting and welding. Getting ready to do some fabricating this week, so try and show some videos of that better than I have before.